Hey guys, it's Natto time again. Let's show you something different. How you're gonna eat the fermented soybeans and nattos. Just like you open up the package, you did it right there. Here, the sauce, mustard. I'll take out this lid. Ooh, that's how sticky is it? Yuck. Pour mustard. Okay, pour the sauce on top of it. Now we started scramble it. Now today's I'm going to add this stuff. This is called furikake. This is all the dry fishes and other stuff, seaweed, other things. Usually this one goes to the top of the Japanese sticky rice, but today's this goes into nattos. Let me open it up. Oops. Put it a little bit there. And scramble again. After adding this furikake, your natto will taste delicious. Sounds interested? Yummy!